Krispy Kreme on DoorDash, it was $6.50. It went up to $8.48, and I'm not doing this. While I was on my way to dropping off the order, I actually got another order. Instacart, Petco. It's like $10 and some change just for a few items. So I'm about to go ahead and do that. And then we'll be up $19, which is pretty good. I'm so mad, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I woke up kind of late. I'm extremely tired and I've been doing a lot. I really need a break, but I can't take any breaks right now. I woke up around like 7 something today instead of my usual 5. Woke up, but I went back to sleep. I couldn't get up this morning. I couldn't. I forgot that Costco opens at 9:30 on Saturdays. I leave out the house at 9:30 something. And when I'm driving down the street, I'm like, dang, I just remembered they open at 9:30. So I missed the Costco drop. So DoorDash helped me out and gave me the $8.48 order. So we still making some money. We missed the drop. Hopefully there was nothing good today. It's all good. So I have until, I say like 12:15, 12:20, really 12:30 to make as much as I can. Then I'm going in the house so that I can get ready for work, and I'll be in the house until 7. So yeah, hopefully today is another smooth day. I don't know how Saturdays go working there, but yesterday was not busy at all. So we'll see. I'm about to head over to Petco and pick up these 4 items. Hopefully they have everything. So I already have 2 items, 2 more. Yeah, the third one's right here. I'm having a hard time finding this. I'm probably about to ask somebody to help me. So I ended up having to refund the last item because they didn't have it. They had 2 other brands, but he wanted a refund if they didn't have that specific brand. I'm so sad. So this is definitely about to go down some. It's all good though. 6 minutes away. All right, let's go drop this off real quick. So our next order is $7.52, I think. Tropical smoothie, and I am 4 minutes away from the drop off, and there's a meet at door. So I just finished dropping that other order off a few minutes ago. So I got my first order at 9:37. It is 10:45 right now. So I made $26.50 in an hour and a couple minutes. That is actually pretty good. It kicked me off of DoorDash because it's not busy right now, and plus it was only until 10:30. So all I have is Uber and Instacart right now. I'm gonna try my hardest to make a little bit more before I have to go back in the house, and then I'll be back out later tonight to do some more. So this is probably about to be my last order, because by the time I get done dropping it off, it'll be probably 12 something. This one is $30, 46 items, 60 units, 10.2 miles. It is a little high in mileage, but oh well, it's okay. And the first customer is in an apartment, but he has 4 64-ounce drinks and a gallon of milk, so not too bad. Everything else is pretty light. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and knock this out, and then after this it'll be time to go home and get ready for work. I'm praying that we don't have to do no refunds, because then we'll be at 50 something. Finally home. I got home at 1:07, literally 7 minutes late on my second day. I'm so mad because I hate being late to anything. Always early. I love being early, so I'm kind of disappointed in myself for being late, but I had to finish the order. I don't know why I accepted it, knowing that, well, I really thought I was gonna have time to like get it done and make it back home like at least 5 minutes early. But I mean, at least I'm not too late. So it is now 1:26 and I haven't received any calls yet, but I have everything ready to go. I'm probably about to sit here and edit my video that I want to go up tomorrow and just chill until somebody calls in. That order did end up going up though. It went up to $31.55, so just a little bit, but look, everything counts, okay? So I'm definitely happy about that. I was able to make $58 before having to come into work. First order of the day, Costco ordered this customer A and customer B stuff right here. This is like $31, I think, and I didn't have to do any refunds. Okay, so I just finished dropping off the Costco orders not too long ago. I accepted a $7 Uber Eats order for CVS. It's just 2 items. Bruh, why I thought I was going to CVS and I turned it to the Walgreens parking lot. So now I gotta go across the street to CVS. But I also accepted a Walgreens order, $9.75 DoorDash. It says to pick up by 11:43. So I'm going to CVS first because that's what I accepted first. She just got some cereal and I think some milk. And she's literally around the corner from CVS. So I'm gonna pick that up, drop that off real quick, and then try to make it to Walgreens in time to start. I hope they don't give me no type of contract violation for being late. I don't know why I did this, but I'm trying to make some money. This might be a bad multi-app, and this light is taking forever. Like, come on, I gotta go. I don't have that much time. All right, y'all. I just dropped off the CVS order. I was about to say, no, Walgreens, no. CVS, okay, I got it right. CVS. I just dropped off the CVS order. Now I'm on my way to Walgreens. Literally 1 minute away from Walgreens. Whew. I'm out of breath. I was running to the car. Oh, I'm going. I plan on getting no contract violation. But this will be my first ever. I'm never late. I hate being late, but bro, I feel like I couldn't turn down both of those. Like, so we'll see. But today is Sunday. Happy Sunday. Money making Sunday. We're gonna be out all day making money. I literally thought I was recording. So she actually ordered 4 things, but they only had 2. She wanted some edge control dryer sheets and Capri Suns. They only had the Capri Suns. So this is all that I was able to get. She didn't want no substitutions. And now it says that I have to be there by 12:16. It is 12 o'clock. I should be there by 12:07. I wish this was like my last order of the day because I could literally go home. Like, she literally lives about 2 minutes away from me. But we staying out all day, so let's go ahead and drop this off so we can get something else because Instacart has been going off like crazy. So we should definitely have a good day. So I am at Red Robin now. I accepted the order for $6.50. This man only got 2 items. I accepted it 13 minutes ago. I was about to go home and upload my video and then come back out, but I decided to take this order. It is not done. I was sitting in there for probably about 5 of the 13 minutes, maybe like 5 or 6 minutes. And then I got up and asked the lady, like, how long is it about to be? She said about 10 more minutes. So if I get another order that is, you know, better than this, I will cancel this order. But I'm gonna just wait because I don't have anything to do right now. And I honestly can't afford to keep canceling orders on DoorDash because I don't want to get deactivated. When the wait time is long, I will go ahead and cancel. I'll wait for about like maybe 10-15 minutes. If it's any longer than that, I'm leaving. So I'm gonna give it some more time. I did message him. I said, hi, I just wanted to let you know they are still working on your order. The lady said it would be about 2 minutes. And then he replied back and said, okay, thank you. So he know. So he better not call me or text me about nothing. No issues about nothing. I don't want to hear nothing. I'm waiting though. It says pick up by 1:22. It is 1:31 right now. So I'll go back in there in a few minutes and see if it's done. Finally got the freaking food. I am 6 minutes away from the drop off. I'm not doing that. Yeah, so let's go ahead and drop this off real quick. So I just accepted my next order. I did go home for like an hour. But I accepted my next order on Uber. This one is 2023 Smoky Bones and America's Best. So I'm about to go into Smoky Bones and pick it up. I'm trying to give it a few more minutes because usually it don't be ready when I go in there. And it is 7.2 miles. Well, not too bad. I definitely thought this Sunday was gonna be better than this, but we still doing good. It's still kind of early, so we still should be able to make something shake today. So I got both orders, Smoky Bones and America's Best, and I got the 2 drinks. Now I'm 11 minutes away from the first drop off, and it's a leave at door. So let me go ahead and get him his food. So I just finished dropping those off like 10 minutes ago, and I got my next order. It's just $6.50 at Juan's on DoorDash. I'm about to go pick it up and be on my way to deliver it to Juan. It's so funny. This man's name is Juan and he ordering from Juan's. But yeah, let me go ahead and do this. All right, so we got the order for Juan. Big old bag full of stuff. And you got an apple juice. Let's see. Confirm pickup. We are 6 minutes away, 2.7 miles. Let's go. The sun, I can't see for real. Ooh. Let's go. We just got another order from Juan's. This one is $10 and some change. I'm about to go in 1 minute to see if it's done. He just got 2 items, so it probably is done, but I like to give it just a little bit of time so I don't have to stand in there. But yeah, I'm so hungry. I don't know what I'm going to eat for dinner, and I'm also ready to go home, but I'm gonna stay out for a couple more hours and make a little bit more. Okay, so that order, the last Uber order I did was $23.89. Oh, so it went up. Somebody tipped me an extra $3 because it was $20.23 and it went up to $23.89. That's so sweet. I appreciate it because I need all the money. All right. Okay, so this should definitely be done. I'm about to go into Juan's real quick and pick up this food. I will be back. This is why I like to usually wait about 10 minutes because that actually took long. Start delivery. All right, I am 9 minutes away from the drop off. Leave at door. Let's go to Robert. Robert, here is the food. We got some street tacos and carne, is that how you say it? Carne asada fries. So I just took a little $12 order on Uber for Chili's. 2 customers. Hold on. Boop, boop, right here. Got them. I am 3 minutes away from the first drop off. 3 minutes away from the drop off. Right here.